For number 4, it is asking us to solve for D. So for this question, you have to type in your value. It's a fill in the blank, no multiple choice. So we can solve this both ways, by hand and by Desmos. Okay, so we can see here. Let me see. Desmos and by hand. It's asking you to solve for D. We can use the space to remember that D is going to be equal to X if we had to plug this into Desmos. Okay, linear equation, any vocab, no vocab, formulas, no formulas, it's just right here. Okay, it's pure math, just solving. So what we can do is type the entire equation in, even though it's the wrong thing to do, only because it gives us an easier way to put into format this into Desmos properly. So as you can see here, typing it in, equals 7 minus 1.5 D. Okay, so two things I want to do. I said y equals, and I'm going to take this, copy it, paste it here, and set this equal to y. So I split up my equations into two parts, and I have what I'm going to do according to my annotations here. Every time I see the letter D, I'm going to put X. Okay, and there we have it. So what is going to be our answer? Okay, so we zoom out, we see, and it looks like it's going to be Wakanda. So our X value is going to be, we have X comma Y, which is going to be 1 comma 5.5. So when we put in X as 1, our answer Y will be 5.5. So if it's asking for the answer is 5.5. If it's asking for the X value, it will be 1. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you which one it's going to be asking for. Just know that 5.5 is answer. It's your output. It's your total. Whereas the X value is your input. And of course, like I said before, your X value. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this by hand. We have 0.5, 7D plus 4 is equal to 7 minus 1.5 D. Okay, so I need to find a way to write this down so everything can fit. Maybe like here. So 0.5, 7D plus 4 is equal to 7 minus 1.5 D. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and distribute. So 0.5 times 7 is, let's find out, 5 capital 3. Okay, it's going to be 3.5 D plus 2. That was fast, Mr. Green. How did you know that? Well, half of 4 is 2. 0.5 of 4 is 2. Is equal to 7 minus 1.5 D. I want my D's on the left. Okay, I'm going to add 1.5 to both sides, 1.5 D. And I get 5D. Okay, plus 2 is equal to 7. And I am going to subtract 2 on both sides. And I get 5D is equal to 5. Alright, looks like I'm running out of space, but I'm going to divide. I'm going to do right here, 5D over 5 is equal to 5 over 5. and we have D is equal to 1, and remember that instead of D we have X, which matches our value here. Alright, and that is our answer. So we found it by Desmos and we found it by hand. Alrighty.